So hello everyone, my name is Parva Suagia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are solving LeetCode problem number 1528, shuffled strings. So in that problem we have given two arrays. One is string and second is vector. First one is S and second one is indexes. We have to return our a new string according to move that characters from S, like you can see in example 1. S has codeleet and the indices is 45670 so we have to move characters from S according to indices and return our result, like you can see the fourth indices. So we have to move that fourth index at the first part and the fifth index at the second, and then we have to do that. So my approach is to create first we have to create a new string ANS and also assigning it to S, and then we have to use for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than s dot size, then I plus plus. In that for loop we have to do ANS. Basically we have to assign that ANS indices of I is equal to, okay, so there is spelling mistake, ANS of I. Okay, I think it is S of I, and then at last we have to return that, return ANS. Let's check. So you can see our answer works. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye.